Afternoon, everyone. It's about 1:15 on Thursday, the 7th of April, and I just want to go over the corn trade. We're already in it. We are long the ETF CORN. Um, we're long the April 14th, that's a week from Friday's 27 calls, and CORN is trading at 28 exactly. Um, this is a chart of the corn. We've been in it for a while. The calls are, as I said, about $1 in the money. Currently, last is 105, but their 110 bid offered at 125. And I want to show you what's going on ahead of a crop report tomorrow. And they're actually looking for higher numbers in the corn, but at the same time, there's also a drought in Brazil where a lot of it comes from. And of course, everybody knows that the Russia Ukraine war is stopping other grains, including corn, but mostly wheat. From being planted at this point in time, and that really is a problem for them. What I want to show you here is that we had this huge run up, and it was pretty reliable. I mean, if you look going back a little further, you see we had these consolidations, and we had a very orderly low, higher low, and a breakout here, and another breakout here above essentially $4 a bushel, and we ran all the way up here pretty much straight away, and that was during the initial stages of the war, where we got to 735 and change. So here we are now. We This is that 735 number I was mentioning. But what I want to show you here is this is one of my favorite ways um, to see a chart react, and that is a consolidation above the prior high, and that's what we have here. We have a little bit of a flag here. I could draw this line down. I didn't want to make it too confusing, but you know, this is the bottom of the flag, and it's pretty symmetrical. Taking it a step further, let's go to the daily, and I'll show you. This amazes me because I'm just going to go to 6 months, because what we've done in the last 3 or 4 days is get incredibly tight. We have two back-to-back inside days. We have this day 755 to 738, the next day 750 to 739, and today so far 749 and a half to 740 and a half. So we couldn't get much more coiled up than this. And so I'm thinking we're coming out of it on the upside. I'm looking at the MACD, which looks like it's rolling back to the upside, which is what it did on the last breakout. It, had looked like it was going to roll over and then rolled back to the upside. And we had this move essentially from 650 655 up to 780, which is the contract high. In any event, this is where we are. I'm holding it into the crop report. If it comes out to the upside, it'll be a great trade. If it comes out to the downside, it would have to hold this 720, 725 area in order for us to stay in. Hope everyone makes money on this. I'm in it too. Have a good one.